All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter, Yoruba Nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, right now, majority of people are coming out to send strong, warning, like song, word of carefulness for Chief Sunday Igboho. And then I am very sure simply because of what Chief Sunday Igboho had faced in the past, simply because of what had happened to Chief Sunday Igboho before now. This one is coming in so strong for Chief Sunday Igboho. It was said in Yoruba language. He says, and I quote, Akiesi fún Oloye Sunday Igboho Òòṣà. Bá a bá kọjá níbì kan, tá a bá ṣubú, ohun tó gbé ni ṣubú níbẹ̀ gangan ni ká ṣe àkíyèsí ẹ̀ pé kí nǹkan tó gbé mi ṣubú yìí kí ló lè fà á? Òun ni ká ṣàkíyèsí. Well, my brother, my sister, a lot of things though had actually been said. Since Chief Sunday Igboho had total freedom from Benin Republic, majority of people have been happy. Majority of people have been celebrating with Chief Sunday Igboho. It's been awesome. Everybody is been jubilating. And that's exactly what we've been praying for. But no, what actually shocked a lot of people was the kind of people they now saw with Chief Sunday Igboho from the airport and then till he now got to his house. Majority of people have expressed some kind of sadness. Let me put it in that way. Many people took it that why will Chief Sunday Igboho no decide to work with some certain set of people? Why would he even inform this certain set of people that about his coming? Well, my brother, my sister, this is so serious. And then everybody have been saying this, and I think some set of people are not even taking it seriously. That Chief Sunday Igboho needs to be very careful. And then right now, a lot of things are being said. I'm taking this again because it's just coming in again and again that Chief Sunday Igboho actually needs to be very careful. Èwo ni ká fojú ọwọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ káwọn kan sì bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fẹ̀yìn ọwọ́ dànù? Àkíyèsí fún olóyè Sunday Igboho. According to what the people are saying, that Chief Sunday Igboho needs to be very, very vigilant this time around. Yes. Because a lot of tribulations happened then. The people talked about the fact that who knows if it was because of the set of people that were with Chief Sunday Igboho then that caused his downfall to the extent leading him to losing a lot of properties. Yes, definitely, when Chief Sunday Igboho's home was, invaded, then, we had a lot of informations. We got a lot of informations how some group of people made themselves a whistleblower. How some group of people made themselves a whistleblower to attack, to send the DSS to give them direction onto what had been going on in Chief Sunday Igboho's house. That's exactly what we have been talking about. Now Chief Sunday Igboho came back from Benin Republic, being freed. Majority of people have expressed shock. There are some certain set of people who were now working with Chief Sunday Igboho that they are not the kind of people Chief Sunday Igboho is supposed to work with. And the majority of people tackled Afa Shitu on this one. And then looking at it, many people have expressed shock that Chief Sunday Igboho, you need to calm down. Chief Sunday Igboho, you need to be vigilant. Chief Sunday Igboho, you need to be watchful. That many people are out there, they are laughing with you, but majority of them are not happy inside their hearts. And then we don't need a social to even tell us all this. Of recent, some group of people, of which we already know them, that they are, you know, the enemy, or they are one of the enemies of Chief Sunday Igboho. Talking about this Ominira group, they came out and then they made it clear categorically that Chief Sunday Igboho had earlier said that he is not interested in Yoruba Nation movement. You can imagine that. So now this is the time Chief Sunday Igboho needs to leave Yoruba Nation for them. You can imagine who does that. Has there ever been any time Chief Sunday Igboho came out to say, "Oh, he will not, continue with Yoruba Nation"? It has never. There has never been any time like that. This is to tell you that the enemies we thought are hidden, they are now, everywhere. They have now shown themselves. They have now proven to everybody that now here we dey, now we be this, now we be the enemy of Chief Sunday Igboho. That they are not hiding anymore. And who are these people? From Dupe Dagboru, that everybody called Dupe Onitiri, to the lady they call Mrs. Ajakaye. I don't know why this set of people are still after Chief Sunday Igboho, talking about Ijinle Marcos. And a lot of people have actually made us understand why they are they are acting in that manner. Hmm. When we're saying it, that there are some group of people, all they are after is to just come to Yoruba Nation for business, to make money, to get fund from people, lie to people that the Yoruba Nation movement need this kind of money just for the development. We are talking about how Yoruba Nation will be actualized. But what some set of people were busy doing was to, extort the good people of Yoruba Nation movement agitators to be sending money all over the place. My brother, my sister, which is exactly what the problem had been. That while is it that we are fighting for a better nation, but some group of people are somewhere, scattering the movement. A lot of things were actually said in Yoruba language, which I'll be reading to you right now. Now, one of it had been made clear in Yoruba language. I'm going to read that, which says, Oloye Sunday Igboho, àwọn tí wọn kò fẹ́ kó ríṣẹ́ jẹ́ wọ́n pọ̀ nínú àwọn tí oko ti ra. Meaning, those that do not want you to deliver a great message for the Yoruba Nation movement, those who do not want you to accomplish this race of Yoruba movement, those who do not love you, those who do not believe in what you carry about putting smiles in the heart of all the Yoruba people, they are the people that surround you. Àwọn tí wọn kò fẹ́ kó ríṣẹ́ jẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá Nation yìí, wọ́n pọ̀, àwọn náà ni oko ti ra. My brother, my sister, exactly what is actually going on right now. Chief Sunday Igboho had been, given a lot of advices that he needs to be watchful, be vigilant. Yes, we know Chief Sunday Igboho is a great man. God has chosen him, of which we know definitely nobody can bring him down. But nobody is still perfect. Yes, there are some advices that some people will be able to give some people that are greater than them that would definitely be useful. And exactly what we are seeing right now. Now everybody have made it clear. Chief Sunday Igboho God has chosen you. But majority of the people, we have a lot of enemies. Otakpo gan. We have a lot of enemies out there that do not want you to deliver these messages. And most of all these people are around you. They surround you. Now, the people have made it clear that the only solution is for Chief Sunday Igboho to distance himself from this group of people. Hmm. Well, I'm still going to take this other part still in Yoruba language. A lot of things we actually said. You hear everything for yourselves. Okay? Yes, this one had been made clear also in Yoruba language, which says, Oloye Chief Sunday Igboho, gbogbo ogun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ọ nígbà kan rí, ó yẹ kó fi wá mọ ọ̀tá nínú ọ̀rẹ́, kó dẹ̀ fi wá mọ ọ̀rẹ́ nínú ọ̀tá báyìí o. Hmm. My brother, my sister, a lot of things were said. Well, to cut the whole story short, everybody is now like Chief Sunday Igboho needs to be very careful. Majority of people are still reacting, but I think I'm going to drop it here. Yes, a lot of things have been said, of which we are still going to be bringing more updates on what the good people who love Chief Sunday Igboho have been talking about. Well, still on the matter, my people, Yoruba Nation are going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this. And remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right. Thanks and God bless.